NASSCOM Tech Conclave was held in the Inspiria Knowledge Campus, Siliguri on March 13, 2015. Near about 500 participants were noticed who started gathering in the Inspiria Knowledge Campus from 9 am onwards. The main events of the NASSCOM Tech Conclave included coding competition and career makeover. The coding competition was the most exciting among all other events. This competition tested the participants, mainly the students, in the most scientific manner using an online testing tool.
Ample excitement and enthusiasm was noticed among all the participants of the event. The interactive sessions were highly successful. During the interactive sessions, the regional head of NASSCOM, Mr. Nirupam Chaudhary, spoke about the achievements of NASSCOM and what changes they brought about in the IT industry of the country. He also spoke about their future plans. Some valuable tips on employment were shared by Mr. Kamal Agarwal, the chairman of ERPC.
It is a very tough decision whether to go for higher education or plunge into the entrepreneurship pool. Some valuable tips were shared by Mr. Arun Agarwal to resolve this tough decision. The expectations of the modern day IT industry was explained by Mr. Devendra Singh, the COO of InSync. He also spoke about the roles that are currently very popular in the IT industry and what the students should do in order to grab them.
The new project of NASSCOM, 10,000 Startups, was also highlighted in the event. Mr. Ravi Ranjan gave an introduction of his new venture of NASSCOM and also pointed out how more and more investors are willing to invest more in a scalable business venture. He also pointed out the fact that it is very easy to become a successful entrepreneur in today's world. Near about 100 participants participated in the coding competition and the winner was Mr. Ankit Jhunjhunwala of SIEM Institute, who was awarded with a cash prize of INR 5,000. In the second position was Mr. Nishkal Prakash, also from SIEM Institute, who was awarded with INR 3,000. And in the third position was Mr. Abhiroop Basu from SIT College, who was awarded with a cash prize of INR 2,000. The winner of competition, Mr. Ankit Jhunjhunwala, received an on-the-spot job offer from Mr. Atul Gupta, the CEO and founder of InSync Solutions.